key of C, the major chords are C, F, and G. And they sound kind of present and kind of wholesome. And the minor chords are A minor, D minor, and E minor. And they sound more pensive and ancient. So I'm going to let you try those, the C, the F, and the G, and listen to those, and the A, the D, and the E. Let's try it on an A minor, offset by, the right hand is offset by 5, so it's on an E minor. Now, we're going to anchor the left hand on the A. That means just keep coming back to it. And I like things to be easy, and that's easy. So with double strung, you can do all sorts of things that sound hard, but they're actually easy. So I'm going to offset by 5. And first and I think I'll go up and up and up and see what it sounds like all the way up. So offset by 5. Then 6, then 7, then 8, which is stacked. Okay, so let's see, 5. That sounds pretty cool because it's left hand and then right hand, call and response. But now we're going to do it echoed, which is really beautiful. So remember, it's left, right, left, right. Right. So I'm on an A and an E. I'm going to move my right hand up only. Ooh, cool. Left, right, left, right. You can also offset your hands by 8. So that's a stacked chord, a C chord here and an octave up, 8 up, another C chord. So play around with that. A, G. Play around with stacked. Of course, you can offset your hands any amount. So just try some things and see what you like. I might like some of these and I might not. I'm going to offset by 3. Left hand, then right hand, 3 up. Left hand is now on a C. Right hand is on an E, 5th. So first mirrored, left hand, right hand, like a call and response. Now echoed. Now I'm going to go up to a D against an F. I'm echoing these. Left, right, left, right. What about anchoring the left hand somewhere and doing the right hand offset by a 3rd and then a 4th and then a 5th? So I'll do the C against an E. It's beautiful. I'll come back down, offset by 4, offset by 3, and then I'll make sisters. A couple more fun things to do with fifths, and then in the next tutorial we'll go on to other things. But fifths are so great. So another thing is just to play a 5th in the left hand and a single note in the right hand. You know how to play with your index finger, so Now there's absolutely no reason you can't rock down. So I've still got a fifth, but I'm going to rock my right hand down. Fingers 1, 3. Fingers 1, 3. And my left hand up. So I'm going to do sisters first. I'm going to go up to 4 up on my right hand. So it's offset by 4. I'm still anchored on the C. I'll just keep doing that. Offset by 5. Back to sisters. Okay, so up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now it gets really cool when I echoed them. So left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Right. I'm going to anchor on an A now. Left, right, left, right, left, right. I'm going to go up to a C with my right hand, offset by 3. Left, right, left, right. Ooh, that's cool. And remember, you can mix these with both hands going up. So let's say I go, and now I'm going to go up with both hands. And at the end I did left hand rocked, right hand blocked. So you experiment with this and have a ball doing it. Remember, as you learn, to always go back to basics. In between learning these things, go back to video 1 and look at hand movements and plucking methods. That's so important, and it takes time to really get it. So you can keep improving on that. And if you can get help from a live person who knows ergonomics well, that's great. So in the next tutorial, you're going to learn thirds. Like you could do all of Pachelbel with thirds and fifths in the left hand. We'll actually do that. We'll also learn triads. Beautiful. You can play them up and down. Lots of things we'll do. And of course you'll use those in tunes eventually too. Okay, so then another thing that we might get to in that video, or it might be the next one, is 1/5/8. That's my very favorite. So you can do Pachelbel with that too, and it sounds like and so forth. And you can do all this thing of offsetting those also. And it sounds hard, but it's not. It's offset by a fifth, offset by a fourth. So I'm going to do 1/5/8 and have fun until then.